And we also know that you are an extra big fan of Merlin himself. In fact, we've got a photo to prove it. Take a look at this. There it is. Oh. There's you with a waxwork of Merlin. Yeah. That's your sister, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we've got another picture. There's you kissing the waxwork. Oh, kissy, kissy.
I thought it was a waxwork. He's got lovely skin. Now, Neve, let me ask you something. Seeing as you are such a massive fan, would you like to see an exclusive Merlin clip that has been recorded just for you?
Yeah.
I thought you might say yes.
Well, I suggest that you watch this very carefully because the clip features some things you might recognise, some of your favourite possessions.
OK, Neve, eyes peeled. Check this out.
Oh, my. Well, Neve, have you been eating these for a while?
What is all this stuff? Neve. 3